Hey everyone, so the Evo 10 that you see ahead of you is a friend of mine named Justin. He's got a lot done to it, but right now he's aiming for 600 horsepower E85. He just wants my guidance installing the upgraded turbo along with extra things here and there. He's got an upgraded fuel pump, and there's other things I can't think of mine right now. But this is his Evo 10. I'm just going to do a slow walk around. Right now is stock turbo. He does have a front man intercooler, ETS. And he does have aftermarket headlights. He's got a lot of the aftermarket stuff. And that's pretty cool too. He camoed the Mitsubishi emblem. He has LED headlights. Different bumper, like the front bumper lip of it. Trying to avoid a bush that's like right there beside me. But yeah, I'm going to do videos. I'm just going to be guiding him, helping him do the work. He's never did a turbo swap before, and so I'm going to guide him through it, help him figure out what to do, since I've done it on my car before. And they can be kind of tedious and a pain in the rear if you've never done it before. The 4B11s are a lot different than the 4G63. He camoed the trunk, got a nice carbon fiber lip on the back of the trunk, and he's got the little camo, the spoiler. So it looks good, like no doubt it looks good. So he's doing a data log system on the laptop for the computer for the tune. So kind of curious how everything's going to turn out. So but I'll keep y'all in the loop, keep y'all through the steps. I'm not going to record every little thing that we do while we're changing out parts, and but I will keep you updated. So let me know what you think. Do you think he's going to be able to push 600 horsepower E85? He's got I think a GT spec 3500 series turbo, upgraded fuel pump. He does have fuel injectors. I don't know what size fuel injectors he's going to be running, but he does have the components that he needs to boost it easily 500 horsepower. I mean, he's got the turbo, he's got everything capable of it, but he's wanting 600. So comment below, let me know what you think, if you think he will achieve that or not. So got a good friend of mine, Justin, out here doing the turbo upgrade. Gonna walk over here and show y'all everything. Got the exhaust manifold. That's the pipe for it. Not sure if that was going back on, I can't remember.
Yeah.
There's the downpipe. Oh, you know Morgan? Morgan's a mechanic. There's a downpipe for it. There's the turbo. It's a beast.
I think his washers are still good. Washers are still good. Cool.
All right. Yeah, they all right. I'm not going to do a step-by-step process of what we're doing, but occasionally I'll do recordings here and there. But I'll keep y'all updated. Here's the process right now. We're getting there, almost done, or halfway through. And then it'll be time for all the goodies.
I gotta put the new intake on.
Oh yeah, because of the tubular.
Yeah, but I can't put on I gotta put this one on. I can't put on the big boy. I can't put that big one on yet.
All right.
trying to find it. I'm looking at it, see if it's not there. It's not in this hole. Make sure these are tight.
Let's find the bolts for the 4 bolts for the turbo first. Actually, no, I found some. There's 2 right here. And you say you ordered 2 more. Okay. All right.
Come on, get in there.
Go to the left. Go, no. Go to the left. Nope. Go to the left.
Oh, I see it.
All right. And she is in.
She's in like a glove.
Oh.
And it's holding in too. I don't have.
Yeah. You want to push it in since
I need to make sure that the lock in. Feels good.
Oh, and another thing I forgot to tell you. After we get everything installed, need to disable your firing because you gotta prime the turbo.
Okay.
So basically what that means, you can't just fire up the car with no oil in the turbo. So I can't remember how I did it. Yeah, there's 2 different ways. You can either pull all the spark plug, all the coil packs off so it's not making contact. Yeah, you can do that too. You can do a fuse or pull off all the coil packs, and then you gotta start it for like 10 seconds, just let it keep going, and you gotta do that like 3-4 times. Just keep trying to start it and hold it for a few seconds, just so that it gets oil in the turbo. And that's how you prime the turbo.
Look at that.
Yeah. She's very loving
Oh, look at that.
toward adults, not kids.
Kitty, 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 kitty.